everyone, welcome back to my channel Miss Vocabulary, and today we are going to look into some restaurant phrases that are used in restaurant and how and when should you use it. So without wasting any time, let's get into it and see what are those phrases. So for the starters, we have "Are you open?" Now this phrase is used when you are trying to inquire about the restaurant, if it's open or if it's closed, if it's open for booking or not. This phrase is often used when you are in a call with a restaurant, or you are standing in the reception of a restaurant, if it's open or not. So this term is used that time. So I will take a moment or two to say that this video is gonna be lengthy, so please bear with me, alright? So let's get into the phrase next. A table for 3 please. This you say when you book a table for the number of people you have along with you. Like you have your 2 friends, so including you there will be 3 people, so you can say a table for 3 please. You can change the number according to you, like if you're 2 you can say a table for 2 please, if you're 5 a table for 5 please. So this term is used when you're trying to book a table according to the number of people you are with, alright? So whenever we visit a restaurant, the first thing that we do is look into the menu. So when you want to ask for the menu, you have to say, could we have the menu please? This phrase is used when you're asking a waiter about the menu, and you have to be polite, that's why we have added please here. So just simply ask, could we have the menu please? This way you will get the menu and see and look into the items that are available there. Now next up we have, can we change our table please? This phrase can be used if you are not comfortable in the table you are presiding right now, so and you want to change it, you want to change to a different table. So you can say, can we change our table please? Okay, this way you will be able to change the table. And so this next phrase is used when you are new to a restaurant, if you are not familiar with the menu and the items available there. So you simply ask the waiter that what can you recommend. This phrase is used between you and the waiter, like you are asking him what do you recommend, means what is the speciality there, what is something unique about the restaurant. And the waiter is well aware of the menu, so he will definitely recommend you what is good and what is bad. So this phrase is used when you are new to a restaurant and you want to get to know what's the speciality there. So the next phrase is, we need a few more minutes before we order. Now this phrase can be used if you are still not ready to order yet, if you are still confused about what you are going to order. So you simply say to the waiter, we need a few more minutes before we order. Please give us some time, please spare us some time, we are still deciding that what we are gonna eat. So this phrase is used when you are still not ready to order and you need a few more time to place the order yet. So after you have decided what you're gonna eat that day, what you're gonna order, you simply call the waiter and say, we are ready to order. Now this way the waiter will get to know that you are ready, and he will tell the chef what you're gonna what you're gonna eat, and he will prepare it for you. So there is a simple etiquette that I want to tell you. Whenever you are trying to call the waiter, don't shout at him like, come here, like listen this and listen that. Don't make any gesture, just raise your hand and your 2 finger, and he will get to know that you want something and he will come to you. This is a very basic etiquette. Don't just shout at him, alright? Now after you have decided, you can ask the waiter, I would like a salad, as I have written here salad. You can change it accordingly. If you want noodles, you can say, I would like some noodles, or I would like a dosa, I would like some spaghetti, I would like some fish, I would like some chicken. So you can change it accordingly and just say, I would like this, I would like that, and that will be sufficient and that will be enough for your order to be placed, alright? So after you have tasted the food and it has touched your palates and you have an opinion about the food, if it's good or if it's bad or if it's bland, so you call the waiter and say the food is great. This you say when you are satisfied with the food. the food is bad, if you're not satisfied with the food is bland. Now bland can be used if the food doesn't have enough salt in it. So you can just simply call the waiter and say the food is great or bad or anything of your opinion. So this phrase is used at that time. So suppose you are eating a dosa and there are many side dishes along with the dosa, like sambar and the coconut chutney and the tomato chutney. So these are all the side dishes. So you eat these dishes along with the dosa. After you take a bite of the dosa, you just slurp the sambar, and when your sambar is finished, you just call the waiter and say like, can I have more sambar? So try saying this instead, could I have a refill please? Now when you say could I have a refill please, it means the waiter will get to know that the side dishes or the food is not enough and food is not adequate, and he will add some more to it. Like I have said, if you're eating dosa, if you say could I have a refill please, he will fill your sambar, and he will fill the coconut chutney or the tomato chutney. So could I have a refill please? This phrase is used when you want more of the food or more of the side dishes. All right. So some restaurants have special dishes on respective days, like for Monday chicken garlic is special or paneer garlic is special. So whenever you visit a restaurant, ask a waiter what's special today. Now this way the waiter will tell you what's the special of that particular day, and you will get to try a new dish, a special dish of that restaurant. So this phrase is used that time. Now food is incomplete without some desserts. Alright, so when you're eating your main course, you ask for dessert, which means some sweet things. So whenever you want to ask for dessert, just say we would like to see the dessert menu please. Now some restaurants have some separate dessert menu and some don't, but you can simply ask, can I have a look, or we would like to see the dessert menu please, and this way you will get to know all the sweet dishes that are available in the restaurant and order it. Just simply say we would like to see the dessert menu please. All right. Now suppose you have ordered a lot more food that you can eat and there is still so much left there. So you want to take that food home. So if you are stuck in that situation, just call the waiter and say, could I have a take home box? Now he will give an empty box to you, or he will take your food and just empty all those things in that box, or you yourself can empty all the food in those boxes. This way you can take the leftover food to your home and eat it at home or any other time, and the food will also not be wasted. Alright. Now suppose you have eaten a dish and you have found it exceptionally delicious. Now if you want to express your gratitude, or if you want to express your likeness for the food, just call the waiter and say that was delicious, compliments to the chef. Now when the waiter will get to know this, he will go to the chef and he will get the chef to know that you really found that food delicious, and this way you can win several hearts and you'll leave a smile on the chef's face. All right. So after you have enjoyed a hearty meal, you need to pay. Alright, nothing is free in this world. So you simply call the waiter and say, can we have the bill please? Now this way the waiter will come along the bill, and in the bill will be the amount you have to pay for that food. So you just simply say, can we have the bill? And he will come with the bill. Alright. So suppose you and your friend went to a restaurant, but you want to split the bill, you want to separate the bill, you want each one of you to pay their separate bill for their food. So you simply call the waiter and say, we would like separate bills please. Now this service is always not available in every restaurant, so you have to ask if this service is available. So if you both want to pay your different bills, you just simply say, we would like separate bills please. Is service available? All right. So suppose there's a new restaurant opened nearby and you eagerly want to visit that. So you ask your colleague or friends that there's a new restaurant opened nearby, would you like to visit? This way you and your friend can go there. So this phrase is used that time. So that's all for today. I hope you find these phrases useful, and I will come along with some new vocabulary related to restaurant in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.